Like, bro, what is you listening to?
What's poppin'?
It's your boy Breeontv, and we are back in Philly, you guys. We was in Hampton last week with the graduates of the illustrious Hampton University. We did music videos, graduation photo shoots, y'all. We was popping. This week, you guys, you're going to be following me as I make some TikToks, you guys. So follow me, stay tuned. You're going to make me some TikToks. Today, I had this idea. I was like, yo, I'm always wearing my headphones. People be seeing me wearing my headphones. I just wonder how people see me when I wear my headphones. So today, we're going to do a video on what it's like wearing headphones versus what people see you looking like with your headphones on, right? So we're going to get it popping. I just feel like when you listening to music, everything just looks so much cooler. I told you, and that is lit right there. I just showed y'all, example of how music just make you look cooler. Like, that was popping. So I'm gonna put my headphones on today in the TikTok, you guys. I got my prop, my headphones, doing making a TikTok. So follow me, y'all. Let's go get it. All right, y'all. So I just got to the location. I'm about to shoot the video. I got my change of clothes. I got my headset, and I got also my extra second shirt. I got my second shirt right here, so I will be able to shoot the whole video. So stay tuned, you guys. I'm about to piece it together. I got my live video over there, so I got live over there on Instagram. So they'll be watching me on live, get the video together, and then you guys, I'll be making sure I walk the whole process for you. So let's get it popping, you guys. Listening to? Like, bro, what is you listening to? Like, bro, what is you listening to? Alright, y'all, we just got a TikTok done and a YouTube done, you guys. This has been lit, you guys. I got to work on another TikTok with you guys. I love doing this with you guys. You guys are amazing. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you hit that like button for more videos to come on this channel, you guys. And not only that, but I love you guys. You poppin', I'm poppin', we poppin'. Stay tuned for more Breeontv.